honey buns, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with us. These are the looks that we did. I love your look.
Thank you.
I love your look on you. Anyways, these are the looks that we did, and we talk about, what do we talk about?
Just friendships.
Friendships.
We try talking about horoscopes, but then we realize I think we just know about ourselves and not like,
yeah, we're super into like astrology.
Yeah, we're into it.
Interested in seeing how we got these looks, talking about friendships and how to keep friendships and relationships and things like that. Go ahead and keep on watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to join us and subscribe. First and foremost, excuse these breakouts and like my eye is getting a rash. I feel a rash. I mean, I have eczema.
Girl, I've been getting red. My mom thinks I have high blood pressure. So we changed it up, and I think that we wanted to talk about like friendship because this is something we've been discussing like over the last few days, and kind of like reevaluating our position in different friendships and what you want to continue, where you want to end things, and kind of like how
your role.
Yeah, your role and somebody else's role, and how you grow from a friendship, and sometimes it's time to cut it off like if there's no progression. I've noticed as I've gotten older that I have cut down on like the friends that I've had because I think it's about quality over quantity. So I'd rather have like 5 friends that are like there for me in the middle of the night and I'm there for them in the middle of the night than people that will flake on me just making plans to go out to eat. Like, you know, it's not about that. So
it really isn't.
Yeah.
It is not. What really matters is truly like who nurtures you and who helps you grow like, as an individual and cares about more than just the superficial.
I used to think that like it was okay to have friends that are just for fun, you know? Like that you could just hit up when you're bored, or like friends that will hit you up when they need something, but that's not okay. Like as you get older, like
you don't have time
for that. Like why would I want to, like if I already want to go out, I'm gonna go out with the people that I'm gonna have fun with, that will enjoy themselves with me, for me, not for like, oh, because they're bored and they have nobody else to go out with. So I definitely like want to surround myself with people that I care about. However, you could reevaluate based on your own experiences who has been a friend for you. What defines a friend for you?
To me, I really think that a friend is like there through the good and the bad. I feel like you can't just be a friend when it's convenient for you and you're going through like a phase. Like friendship, just, I don't know. I mean, all friendship goes through changes, and I understand that. But I think that genuinely a friend has your best interests at heart. They genuinely care for you and your well-being, and like again, like helping you grow and helping, which you know is going to obviously be through good and bad times. It's for like to be there as a support system, to be there, laughs and fun times with, and experience fun and new things, new foods or whatever it is, and like you know, we went to get tapas.
Oh wait, mind you not, we didn't know what tapas were. We thought they were like empanadas, but they're actually ices. And I thought they were gonna bring me like an empanada filled with olives, but they just brought olives, like just plain straight up olives, which I like. Yeah, but I was gonna order 2. So.
And she was like, oh wow, like they brought us like olives. I like olives, but she literally sat there with the plate in the middle. That was her entree.
That was my entree, yeah. And then
she was waiting like,
and then and then I ordered one with some like chicken and like some like kind of spicy like some kind of like tapas. Chicken wing tapas. And then they bring me like actual chicken wings, and I'm like,
so
damn, they got me chicken wings, like who ordered this? And we're waiting and the waitress goes, oh, like ladies,
is there a problem?
Yeah, is there a problem? I'm like,
no.
Oh, this is the meal.
Yeah, like we were like so confused. We were waiting for our entree to come.
Bro, like, I'm not paying $8 for olives again. Get like a whole jar for like $4.
And I feel like it's also like not always going out and doing stuff. Like it's just chilling, it's just relaxing in the comfort of your own home, and just like, you know, being there for one another.
But I've definitely seen from some of my friends that like if somebody judges you and if somebody's talking about you behind your back, even if they think it's constructive, they're not your friend. Like you shouldn't even associate with this person. Like you should confront them and just make things clear, because sometimes there's like a bigger history, and like, you know, you just can't cut friendships off. You have to have an explanation.
Yeah,
because like
I hate that.
Like if you feel like something is like hard on you and you're not, I'm not gonna say benefiting from it, but if it's literally putting you down, then it's better to get out of it. But you have to like have sufficient reasons, because sometimes like the other person deserves to know, you know, like why you do not want to continue with this friendship. Like if your friend has a significant other, you respect them as well. Like you're not gonna can't really like be upset that your friend is spending time with somebody else. Like you should be supportive, and like if they're going through something, you're not gonna be like automatically talking shit like, oh, I hate your boyfriend. Like
I hate that.
Yeah, why do you talk to him? And I'm like, I never said anything. Like, and like I would like to think that every guy that I ever talked to was kinder to me. So I think it's really good to be patient in times like that because they could be very testing, because like at our age, you know, you're gonna have like lots of highs and lows in your relationships, and I think it's like really easy to get judgmental on people. And that's where like you have to like think of it, like think of being a good friend, you know. It's not really about you, it's about the relationship between the two people when you're choosing your friends. So like a lot of times, like at this age, we already have developed friendships, whether it's from like lifelong friends, elementary school, high school, college, even work. You know, I think that it's important to see people's heart and their intention, you know. Like you could have fun with anybody drinking, let me tell you, like even some random person you meet at the bar.
So what do you think about going from someone being your friend to dating? Like, is it worth the risk? Is it worth maybe like, you know, taking that relationship to another place? What do you think about dating friends?
I think that, like, it depends on the circumstance. Like, there could be, like, male-female friendships, and strictly that way. Like, I have a male friend that we've known each other since preschool, and we are still friends today. And we have like a very good friendship, and nowhere has the line ever been crossed. However, I have liked my male friends before. If you feel it from both ways, somebody has to like address it at some point, because it's not gonna go on forever. Either the friendship is gonna like dismantle and like disintegrate, or it's gonna become something, and like either way it has to be like one explosion, whether it's stop being friends or like try to be something more. Like, I'm not opposed to it unless both, like, one person doesn't feel the way about each other. Okay, so now it's time for TMI. So we're gonna talk about how we became friends and how we maintain our friendship, because we don't call each other every day, and we don't have to be with each other all the time in order to have like a healthy relationship. And I think that it's very important to have stable friendships and pure friendships, and I think that's what we have.
As far as from my side, like I feel like you truly made the effort to keep the friendship, because easily we could have been gone our separate ways, you know, just been friends who are like, oh, you know, I like your Instagram picture, or I like your status, or status. Who am I?
2007.
Who is she?
Like my status for rate.
Even if time had passed, you might think like, oh, what if it's awkward, whatever. Like, no, we still always followed through, whether it was literally, like, she used to always say, I can make literally an hour for you. Come to your house. Literally, if you don't have time, we don't have money. Like, we would literally just hang out, talk, catch up for like an hour or two, even if it was 30 minutes.
Yeah, like, it's better than nothing. Yeah. It's better than nothing, and that's how you like maintain it. I think that's really important. Just that shows how committed you are to something. Like, it doesn't matter the amount of time, it doesn't matter the place, it doesn't matter when. It's about the effort, and I think that's like one of the most important things about a friendship.
We met through a mutual friend.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and we were both like kind of like giggly and like not serious, and just had a good time and ran with it. And then life hit us hard.
Yeah.
We were crying
full of life. We were full of joy.
Yeah, we were full of life, full of joy.
In tennis,
and we were like, woohoo!
The next
like,
year,
let this tornado
I
blow
joined
you
the
away.
musical. I never did the musical. Quit the musical. I was too sad. It was a rough time, but we did it together.
I know, and that's
we did
what
it together.
Counts. That's what counts.
So it's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next one. And that's pretty much it. This look is like really simple. I wish I could have done full glam. But yeah, I really like your look, TBH. Alright, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye. This is hilarious. I put us tonight when we were recording.
Oh. No, I deleted the Twitter app.
Oh, really?